My drinking problem, I think, oh no, I know was, I just didn't know when to stop. There was a time I went and had a big bender when I was back at the Warriors, and then I went out to St. Luke's, I think like a few days later on a Wednesday, and this guy just came up to me out of nowhere and he goes, "Mate, you were mad on the weekend." I was like, "Oh, okay." And he goes, "Did you remember? I was drinking with you. I was da-da-da, you were buying me this." And I was like, "Oh yeah. Well, I don't even remember." And he started telling me these stories that I did. I had no idea. I had signed a contract to play in England for a team called Castleford, and I got into an altercation at a nightclub. And then the next day I got called in for a meeting and they terminated my contract. Yeah, I had nothing to show for it after, I guess, 9 years of professional sport. So, to retire at 28, I still, believe I had, a good 5-6 years left, but by that stage I had lost love with the game.
Salvawina, he threw a pass, the like of which I haven't seen. This is fantastic. It's great to watch, isn't it?
My first job out of professional sport, I was working in a dry fruit bottle shop, and it was attached to a pub, which probably wasn't the best idea with my drinking habits. That was, man, that was really tough period. I was really embarrassed because a lot of people recognized me when they'll come in, because there's a lot of construction workers around and a lot of the workers were Kiwis. So they used to drive in and they were like, "From where?" And I'm like, "Oh, hey, how's it going?" He goes, "Bro, what are you doing here? You're not playing anymore." "Oh, no, I'm just thinking of buying a pub, so I'm just getting some work experience, just working here." They're like, "Oh, true." Then they'll go away and I'm like, "Oh man, this is embarrassing, I need to get out." That was really tough. I had no formal qualifications and I had no idea what I wanted to do. So, footy had been, I guess, the be on end all for me during my adult life up until then. Once I had my firstborn, I think something just changed. It was like, okay, now you need to, start doing stuff, be a man, and grow up. And she was also the reason why I stopped drinking as well. I still had no idea what career path to take other than, okay, I need to make some money. We shouldn't let the how stop us from achieving what it is that we want to do. If there's a purpose behind it, you'll always find the how to do it. So I didn't know how to write a book, I just did it and just learned along the way. Writing the book, I'd have to put down to be one of the best experiences I've had in a very long time. I was able to, I guess, be reminded of some of the good things that I did, and actually has put me on a different, I guess, path. And just being able to share my experiences in the hopes that it helps anybody that's going through certain struggles, hopefully they'll get something out of it. What I've noticed with a lot of athletes that don't start preparing for life after sport, they let their sport define them, and when they stop playing or competing, they think that that's all they were worth, is Sione Faumuina, New Zealand Rugby League player, when it's not. Don't let your sport define you. It's just a chapter in your own book. It's not the whole book. I wish someone had told me that when I was playing.